Hey guys and girls, here you can see the car trailer that I used to transport the vehicle, and this was the first start of the engine after purchase. This is the second video in the Landcruiser project series, and in it I will address all of the systems the vehicle needs to start, run and stop, as it was not in a drivable condition when it arrived at this location. First job was to address the clutch, as I could not select any gear once the engine was running.
So first problem we've got is the Hzj75 clutch cylinder, so let's change that out. Okay, we've got the clutch master cylinder here, and as you can see, it's got a bunch of schmutz in there, so that's not going to help us change gear. We're going to clean that and put some fresh fluid in it. The clutch master cylinder is all cleaned out. Let's reinstall it. I'm going to fill it up with some hydraulic fluid. Then we've got our little rubber diaphragm. Let's put it there, and we'll leave the lid off while we're bleeding the system. Once the system is fully bled, we'll then make sure we're accurately in between the minimum and maximum fill line. We're also going to bleed the front hydraulic disc brakes. So this is the reservoir here, and once again we're going to use the same hydraulic fluid.
With a full reservoir, slightly open the bleed nipple on the side of the brake caliper, pump the brake pedal until the air bleeds out of the system, and then tighten the bleed nipple once you have firm pedal pressure.
As you can see, both these pedals used to go to the ground, but we now have the systems bled, and we have hydraulic pressure for both clutch and brake. We've also topped up the power steering fluid reservoir as well, so all really easy stuff to do. So to bleed the power steering system, you want to have the engine running, and then you're just going to go full lock right and full lock left, so you're going to work the air out of the system.
This is essential to assist with the 33 by 12.5 inch mud tyres when I move the vehicle to the next location.
I have a charged battery here, and I filled the radiator out with water so the engine's not going to overheat. I'm just going to check the engine oil. That's fine, so I'm going to see if this thing can limp forward now.
With the clutch, front brakes and power steering addressed, I'm going to move the vehicle to a location where I can do further mechanical work. Once the engine is running, it's important to check the oil pressure and temperature gauges on the dash, as both are critical for engine health. I'm driving in 4x2 or rear wheel drive, as I cannot select 4x4 or 4-wheel drive, but I will address this in a future video. The Landcruiser now starts, runs and stops. I hope the video has been entertaining and educational for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment, like, subscribe. I'll catch you later.